Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of server error on the application of LinkedIn. If we go here to settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about LinkedIn app. Here we go to first stop and we click OK. Here you will go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that we go to Play Store. You will search about LinkedIn. Here you will update your app if you find the update in this blue sign. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.